Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to put gas and bar oil in a Husqvarna 555. So in the front here is where the bar oil goes. Cap does have a string so it doesn't just fall off. Back here is where the oil goes. The gas goes. Mixed with oil, it's 2-stroke. So you take your bar oil and you pour it in here till it's full. Ooh, a little too much. You take your cap, screw it on tight. Don't do too tight, it is plastic. Back here is your gas and oil pre-mixed. I just used a can of already measured out oil that you put into a gallon. It's made by Husqvarna. Ooh, that's what I get for trying to look through the camera and not paying attention. So then you screw your top on, and that is how you put bar oil and gas in a Husqvarna 555. Let me know if this helped you out in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe, it helps us out. See you later.